what's up? Welcome to or welcome back to my channel. My name is Lindy. If you've never seen me before, I'm so happy you're here. I hope you're having a great day. Here's some fun facts right off the bat. I'm a senior at the University of Mississippi. I love Instagram, so I make a ton of Instagram editing videos over here. I also co-own a small business, and let's see, one more fun fact. There's nothing in this mug. It's just so cute, and I wanted to carry it. Look at it. It's a little Capricorn mug. So I've been talking all about this collage wall that's behind me on my Instagram, and I'm really excited to finally talk about it on a video. I kind of recorded a little bit of my process, and I'm just going to talk you guys through how I created this wall. I know there are some creators right now that are selling like collage kits. I think that's awesome. Love that. This is my version of it, you know? So I really wanted a pinky, fashion-y collage, and ever since I've had this in my room, I feel like way more inspired. I feel myself. I feel like my room looks electric with this wall behind me. I did this collage in one night and for $35. So if you're into that kind of thing, that sounds exciting to you, you want to redo your room, add some spice, add some flavor, keep on watching. I hope you enjoy time lapses to the tune of smooth jazz, because this video is going to have a lot of them. Alright, so the first thing I'm doing is just going to go on Pinterest, and I'm going to start a board of all the prints that I want to do, and I'll show you the board. I'll link it down below as well. Okay, so I saved all the pictures from my Pinterest board to my computer, highlighted them all, and then I clicked here. I'll just show you guys how I converted them into a PDF. Okay, so let's say that these are my collage wall pictures. I'm filming this after the fact, so they're not. But anyway, highlight them all, do a little command click thing, and then open with preview. This is for a Mac as well. I don't really know what to do if you don't have that. Sorry, this is what I did. Okay, so then once you're in the file that you click preview on, then you're gonna click file, and then you're gonna click print. And then you're gonna make sure that all pages are selected. And then at the bottom left where there's the drop down that says PDF, click Save as PDF. And then you can name it whatever you want, so I'm going to name mine Pics, and then that's the file that you will upload to Office Depot's website. Okay, so now I'm on Office Depot's website, and let's see, I did services, printing and print and copy, and then I did document printing copies. So I'm hoping that I can just upload the PDF, and then that will work. We're gonna find out. I've never actually done this, and I didn't see any videos where people were telling people how to do it, so. Alright, so I'm uploading my PDF of my collage wall images. Oh, is it gonna work? I'm just going through every page and making sure everything looks good. Okay team, so I have my PDF downloaded, and I'm gonna go downstairs and grab a tape measure because I want to make sure that I get the right amount. I have 55 prints in my PDF, and I don't really know if I'm gonna need more than that, but I want to measure so that way I can just kind of get it all done in one swift trip. I'm getting it on, I think, the 65-pound cardstock paper is what I'm gonna do. Yep, that's what I did. Love it, no regrets. I don't really like the look of like really thin floppy paper, so that's that. Okay, I'm about to double it. I feel like I'm gonna need like 100 pictures. I don't know, dude. I guess let's do it. Okay, so I'm printing 77 pictures for $35. It would have been 43. Oop. It would have been 43, but I found a 20% off code. So try your codes out now. It's 35 and I'm printing it on cardstock. This is gonna be good, I hope. God. It's gonna be a long night either way, but I'm excited. I love this kind of thing. So let's check out. I hope I can get it picked up tonight. You guys, okay, so whew. Anyway, just had to blow out my candle, sorry. I'm just sitting here filming a video for tomorrow. By the way, if you haven't noticed, I've been trying to do a Wednesday, Sunday. I'm sure no one's noticed. We're on break. I don't even know what it is. Okay, so that was my ring light. Anyway, I don't even know what day of the week it is, but I've been doing a Wednesday and Sunday posting schedule just to kind of see if I can do it, and so far so good. Tomorrow's video is going to be a glitter edit. By the time you're seeing this video, that's already up. If you're into that, follow me, or what? Watch the video. Also follow me on Instagram. Why not, you know? I can already tell that this is going to be so much fun. A fun little creative night. I'm going to turn on some music. Alright, that's not right now. When I get back, I'm going to turn on some music, do my collage. It's going to be lovely. I'll see you guys then. I got him. You can't see him, but I walked in and the girl was like, hey, are you the dream board girl? I'm like, yes, that is me. You guys, they're gonna be so good. Okay, let me try and show you some. I would love for there not to have been a white border and for these to just bleed all the way, but I'm not sure if that's an option. Sorry if you hear my phone vibrating, but look at them. Adorable. I'm gonna cut like these down, and then the other ones, I don't know, like with this kind of white space, I might leave it. I'm not sure yet. I'll have to see how it looks in the room. Also, I don't know who this girl is, but I want to cut it like to her mouth and then her jacket. I just think that's so cute. Love Spongy. Hey, editing Lindy here. So when this video started, I was gonna put the collage in my vanity area in my room, which is why I'm talking about like putting it on my bed wall as like a change. That's why I'm referencing this as like a new idea. I got home and things have escalated because my mom and I were like, what if we put them above the bed? And I'm like, oh, it looks really cool. It looks really cool. Problem is, I have a Starburst mirror that goes right here, but it's at school. Oh, and then I have a painting that goes right here that's like really light and airy. But there was a mirror that I saw, big gold mirror with stars. It's beautiful, at the Pottery Barn outlet in St. Louis the other day. I almost got it, but I didn't get it. And it would look so good on these pictures on this wall. I think I'm gonna fill this wall, and that's gonna be what this video is now. The video is now I'm doing this wall, so. This is what I used to stick them all down. I used one pack, I got it at Walmart, it slaps. Okay, so I just pinch off little pieces of that like blue sticky tack stuff and roll it around in my hand, flatten it into a little ball, and stuck it on all four corners of the pictures, and that's how I stuck them up there. And that stuff slaps, it hangs up stuff so easily. You can pull it off, re-stick it, not a big deal, no like big commitments with that stuff. And now you'll see I'm like trying to kind of stagger my pictures and overlap and make it look interesting. And this is definitely personal preference. Like if you wanted this to look like a grid, you could do that and it would be a really cool look too. But I just wanted it to be really kind of staggered like a collage. At this point it was 2 a.m. I stayed up till 4 this night and I was freaking hungry. There I am vibing, eating, nice little steamed veg moment. Also, I like to pay attention to like the colors, and because I feel like it makes it look unbalanced if you put too much pink or too much white or too much black in one area. So I try to keep it really varied and not make any area too heavy visually. And I'd fully convinced myself to go get the mirror the next day, so I like measured out where the mirror was gonna be and tried to like estimate a little arch, so that's why I like left this empty arch on the wall, but the mirror looks so good. You'll see that here in a hot second. Okay, so once I got the mirror hung, I ended up having to add just a few extra little pieces around the cracks, but no big deal, because as I said, I got 77 prints. I ended up only needing like 70, maybe 65, 70 for this wall, so I had like 7 left over, and I just used those 7 to fill in around the mirror, and then like these little cracks down here just in case. And then I also continued it on this wall just kind of because I didn't want to end it so abruptly. And I also, as you saw, kind of kept this in jagged. I really like how that looks, so I don't know, that's just my thing. I have some jagged edges there, and I didn't put all my top row all the way up because I like it to look a little messier. But isn't this adorable? Y'all remember that mirror I was talking about? There she is. Isn't she beautiful? I love it so much. It looks just like those Anthropologie ones that all your fave Instagrammers are like, hey, buy this, it's $500 to like $2,000. Well, I got it at a Pottery Barn outlet. It was like $125, which is still way more than I wanted to spend. But Goodwill was not coming through for me, and you know they usually do. So if you're in the St. Louis area, check out the Pottery Barn outlet. And if you're not in the St. Louis area, see where you can find a Pottery Barn outlet near you, because if you need furniture, they usually have some awesome quality sturdy pieces at a freaking deal. So that being one of my many finds. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps you, and if it does, please tag me on like your Instagram stories or something showing it off. I want to see them, I want to share them, you know the drill. Also, a little shameless self-plug, please follow me on Instagram. Instagram gang saw this first, and they will always be first to the action because I'm always over there talking on my stories, so follow me on there. Also subscribe to my channel if my content seems like your kind of thing.